Cleaning for your Café Automatic Espresso Machine. Unplug your espresso machine from the wall. Pour out all leftover water. Wash and dry the water tank, drip tray, and disposal tray by hand only. Do not place any part of the espresso machine in the dishwasher. Wipe down the appliance using the provided microfiber cloth and non-abrasive cleaner. Remove the service door located on the side of the appliance by pressing the bottom of the service door. To take out the brewer, pinch both orange tabs to release. Use the cleaning brush and microfiber cloth provided to wipe away excess grounds from the service area and coffee grinder chute. Wash the coffee brewer in the sink with warm water. Wipe the machine with the microfiber cloth or allow to air dry before returning to the unit. Make sure to air dry the service area before reassembling the coffee brewer. Replace the brewer by pressing the orange tabs again until it locks in place. Replace the service door before using the machine. The service door will click into place. Do not use any cleaning agents not provided with the product or recommended in the manual. It is recommended that you descale once a month or more depending on the water hardness. The descale process consists of 2 stages. The descale alert will turn off after the second stage is completed. The whole process should last 30 to 40 minutes. Fully fill the water tank. Add 1 pack of cleaning solution and mix well. Remove the drip tray and place a 45-ounce or larger container under the spout. Press and hold both the My Cup and Hot Water buttons for 3 seconds to initiate the descaling process. A single beep will sound and descale alert will flash. Water will now dispense into the container. After all the water has been dispensed, descale alert will stop flashing but stay on. The Add Water alert will now start flashing. Remove the water tank. Rinse and fully refill before reinstalling. Repeat the dispense cycle as shown earlier. After all the water has dispensed again, the descale alert will turn off. The Add Water alert will turn on. Refill the water tank again. The espresso machine is now ready for normal operation. If you are storing your espresso machine for a long period of time, you should empty the system of all water. Press and hold both the hot water and power buttons for 3 seconds. This will initiate the emptying process. Water will empty into the drip tray. Remove the water tank. Place a small bowl under the spout. When the cycle ends, the rinsing button will stop flashing, and the machine will return to the powered on state.